You know, eggs are often called one of nature's perfect foods. They are packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. But there is something most people do not realize. It is not just what you eat, it is what you eat it with that can make a huge difference, especially for seniors. And today, I want to tell you about 3 foods you should never eat with eggs, especially if you care about your heart, your digestion, and your long-term senior health. Because sometimes that innocent breakfast combo could actually be doing more harm than good. Let's get into the first food you should never pair with eggs. 1. Never combine eggs with processed meats. Let us start with what might be the most popular breakfast pairing in the world, eggs and bacon. Or maybe for you it is sausage or a slice of ham. It is familiar, it is delicious, and for many people, it brings back memories. Weekend breakfasts, family gatherings, cozy Sunday mornings. But here's the truth most people never hear. This classic combination is one of the worst things you can do for your health, especially as a senior. Eggs on their own are a powerhouse. They provide high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamin B12, choline for brain support, and other nutrients your body truly needs as you get older. But when you pair eggs with processed meats like bacon, sausages, or ham, the benefits start to fade. In fact, the entire meal can turn into something that silently damages your heart, your blood vessels, and even your kidneys. Processed meats are meats that have been cured, smoked, salted, or preserved in some way. That includes bacon, sausage, deli meats, salami, and even turkey bacon. And while they may add flavor to your plate, they also bring along a heavy dose of sodium, saturated fat, and chemical preservatives, especially nitrates and nitrites that have been linked to inflammation, heart disease, and in long-term studies, even certain types of cancer. When eggs and these meats are cooked together, especially if you fry them in butter or oil, it creates a meal that is high in salt, heavy in unhealthy fat, and hard for your body to digest. Over time, this kind of meal can lead to clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and a sluggish feeling that lingers well into the day. And this is where senior health comes in. As we age, our bodies naturally become more sensitive to things like salt and saturated fat. The kidneys do not filter as efficiently. Blood vessels become more reactive, and the metabolism slows down. What might feel like just another breakfast in your 30s or 40s becomes a much heavier load on your heart and digestive system in your 60s or 70s. You might notice more bloating, or you might find your energy dips quickly after eating. You may even struggle with rising blood pressure over time. All of that can be linked to meals like this. Now, I am not saying you need to give up meat entirely, but the key is to find better pairings for your eggs, foods that support your body instead of slowing it down. A simple plate of eggs with fresh vegetables like sautéed spinach or grilled tomatoes can do wonders. Add in some sliced avocado, or cook the eggs with mushrooms and herbs for flavor, and you have a breakfast that still feels satisfying, but is far gentler on your body. Even something like smoked salmon, when eaten in moderation, offers far more health benefits compared to traditional processed meats. So next time you're in a kitchen cracking some eggs, just pause and ask yourself, do I really need to add bacon or sausage to this plate? Or can I give my body something better today? Sometimes, protecting your health is not about giving up everything you enjoy. It is about knowing which combinations work with your body and which ones quietly work against it. If you're already getting value from this video, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. And also, don't forget to like and share the video. 2. Never combine eggs with refined sugar foods. Most people do not think twice about having something sweet with their eggs. A pancake here, a muffin there, maybe a piece of white toast with jam. Seems harmless, right? But the truth is, combining eggs with sugar-heavy foods, especially the kind made with refined white flour and added sugars, can completely throw off your body's balance. And for seniors, this combination can be even more disruptive. Let me explain why. Eggs are naturally rich in protein and fat. They digest slowly and help keep you full. On their own, they do not spike your blood sugar. That is a good thing. But the moment you throw in something like a syrup-drenched pancake, a sugar-glazed pastry, or even a bowl of sweetened cereal, your body is hit with two very different types of fuel at the same time, fast and slow. The refined sugars digest almost instantly. They flood your bloodstream with glucose, and your pancreas jumps in to release insulin. But your body is still working on breaking down the fats and proteins from the eggs, and that creates a kind of internal traffic jam. What ends up happening is a roller coaster, a sharp spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. And during that crash, you feel tired, sluggish, and maybe even irritable. You ate breakfast hoping to feel energized, but somehow you are more drained than before you ate. And for seniors, these sugar spikes and crashes are more than just uncomfortable, they are dangerous. As we age, our bodies become more insulin resistant. That means your cells are not as responsive to insulin, and sugar hangs around in your bloodstream longer than it should. Over time, this increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, weight gain, and chronic inflammation, all of which can affect brain health, heart health, and overall senior health. It also puts extra stress on the kidneys and contributes to the kind of silent damage that builds up over the years without any obvious warning signs. Now here's the other thing. Refined sugar does not just come from obvious desserts. It hides in many foods we consider normal at breakfast. White bread, fruit-flavored yogurts, boxed cereals, granola bars, even fruit juices. They all contain added sugars that act the same way once inside your body. So what is the better option? If you are someone who likes a little sweetness in the morning, that is okay. You do not have to give that up entirely. Instead of syrup-covered waffles or sugary toast, try pairing your eggs with a handful of fresh berries, a few apple slices, or even a small bowl of oatmeal sweetened naturally with cinnamon or mashed banana. These options give you fiber, antioxidants, and a slower release of energy, which supports your blood sugar levels rather than spiking them. Plus, when paired with eggs, they help you stay full longer and feel more stable throughout the morning. The goal here is not to make breakfast boring. It is to make it smarter, especially for senior health. Because what you eat in the morning sets the tone for your whole day. And when you start with a balanced, stable meal, you think more clearly, move more easily, and avoid those mid-morning crashes that can lead to snacking fatigue or poor food choices later on. So the next time you are about to reach for that sweet pastry or that sugar-loaded cereal with your eggs, just take a moment. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? You might be surprised how much better your body responds when you feed it what it actually needs. 3. Never combine eggs with certain dairy products. I know what you might be thinking. What's breakfast without a cheesy omelet? Or a little cream in your scrambled eggs? It is tasty, it is rich, and for a lot of people, it just feels like the perfect way to start the day. But here's the thing, not all dairy is created equal. When you mix eggs with heavy, full-fat cheeses or cream-based ingredients, you're creating a meal that is extremely dense in saturated fat. And while eggs already contain some cholesterol and fat which the body can handle in moderation, adding these dairy products on top pushes that fat load even higher. Why does this matter? Especially for seniors? As we age, our digestive system becomes less efficient. The enzymes that help break down fats and proteins start to decline. That means meals that are high in fat take longer to digest, leaving you feeling heavy, bloated, or even a bit nauseous afterward. And if you've ever eaten a creamy omelet and felt sluggish the rest of the morning, you know exactly what I am talking about. But digestion is only part of the story. Excess saturated fat from heavy cheeses and creams can raise your bad cholesterol, which is a type linked to plaque buildup in your arteries. And for seniors who may already be managing blood pressure or heart conditions, This combination can quietly add to the strain on your cardiovascular system. Now, this does not mean all dairy needs to go, but large amounts of full-fat cheeses, especially cheddar, American, or processed cheese slices, combined with eggs on the same plate. That is where the trouble starts. You also want to be careful with dishes like creamy scrambled eggs made with whole cream, quiches loaded with cheese, or breakfast casseroles that combine eggs, milk, and cheese in one heavy bake. They might seem like a satisfying way to start the day, but inside your body, they're slowing things down and adding unnecessary pressure on your heart and liver. For seniors, meals like that, when eaten frequently, can also lead to weight gain around the midsection, which increases the risk of insulin resistance and joint problems. And the sad part? These effects can build up quietly over the years without you noticing until a health issue surfaces. But there's a good thing. You do not have to sacrifice flavor or richness. You just have to make smarter choices. If you like cheese, try lighter options. A small amount of feta, goat cheese, or parts of mozzarella can give you the taste without overwhelming your plate with fat. And instead of using cream, consider scrambling your eggs with a splash of almond milk or oat milk, or even just water. They will still turn out soft and fluffy. Even better, focus on adding flavor through herbs and vegetables. Chopped spinach, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and a dash of turmeric or garlic can transform plain eggs into something vibrant and delicious without the heavy aftereffects. At the end of the day, your body will tell you when something feels good and when something feels too heavy. So the next time you are reaching for a block of cheese to melt into your eggs, pause for a second. Ask yourself, is this going to fuel me or weigh me down? Because protecting senior health is not about restriction, it is about awareness. And once you know how your body reacts to certain combinations, you start making choices that keep you energized, focused, and comfortable throughout the day. The truth is, eggs are amazing. They really are. But just like any food, they work best when paired with the right things. For seniors, making small changes like avoiding these combinations can go a long way in protecting your heart, improving digestion, and helping you feel light and energized, not bloated and tired. So next time you crack an egg, just pause for a second. Look at what's on your plate beside it. What you leave out might be the healthiest decision of all. If you found this video helpful, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Also, don't forget to share with someone that might need this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.